Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you, telling you the difference between a local script and a normal script. So let me just delete this right here, because we don't need that. So first, a server script. So it's right here. I'll insert a new normal script inside of here. Is this it? Yep. I'll call it server. So what this does is that if I do local part equals instance.new part, comma workspace, it's going to create new part in workspace. Now if I run it, this right now I'm on the current server. So now you see the part right there, right? And if I were to join in the game, it would appear for everybody, not just you. You can also do a bunch of other stuff, like if I were to make an event, I could do game.replicatestorage.event .onServer event, which you can only fire from the client. I'll be making a video on that soon. And you can do all the code you want right here. And you can also fire to the client, which first, before I get to the client, there's one more eager thing. Never put a server script in replicate storage unless you're using it for a tool, starter UI, or starter player. In starter player scripts, you can only put it in character scripts. The only places it runs is there, and there. Those are the only places it runs. If you put it anywhere, it will not run unless it's a tool. Now that we have all this, I'll just show you one more example. So let's say I want to add a new accessory to the game. Do you know what? No, let's add a new chat equals instance.new chat, workspace, chat.message equals I'll just make it say hello world. Now this makes it show up for everyone. So now if I press play, what this will do is it should, if I got the code right. Yeah, so you can't create a chat anymore, sadly. But what it will do is a pop-up text appear saying hello world. And that's a bunch of other stuff. Now if we go into, let's say I want to add a local script inside Start UI. In there, I'll call it client. So this is a little bit different. You see that if I add a part, instance.new part, comma workspace. So if I run the game, you'll see, hey wait, where's the part? You check workspace? It's not there. You're probably like, well, I made a new part. Where is it, right? Well, no. See, a client only happens for the player. So that means that if I create this part and I launched into the game, the part would only appear for me, but for nobody else. That's the difference. So if I put a script in there, everybody will see the part. But if I put this part in a random location, they'll see it at. So like they would see their part here, and you could see your part right there, but they wouldn't see your part, and you can't see theirs. So the client is pretty much used like that because Roblox adds something called filtering enable for hackers. Hackers would delete stuff in the client, and it would happen for everybody because hacks are on clients. We'll talk about that in another video. So as you now would know of, it only happens for you, and that means that if I were a hacker and I deleted a part on the client without making it through the server, it would delete. It would delete for me, not for them. So they would be able to stand, but they'll see me fall through the map and die. And the clients will only run in here, inside of here, inside of characters, and your player. That's it. Nowhere else. You can't even run server storage or anything. And the client can't access certain things. So like, if I were to do server storage, and now I'll do to get service server storage, I won't be able to access it from the client, but from the server I can access it. So that means if I went into server and I added this, there, now I got server storage. So it's completely different. It's not like the same thing. Most people use this because you can only use certain things like local UIS equals game get service user input service. This checks for an input. So if I want to do if I.keycode equals enum.keycode.x, then print x. Now if I were to try and run this on the server, so this script, it would not run. You're not allowed to. It only runs on the client. So that's pretty much the basis on client and server scripts. And in the next video, I'll probably make a video about hack clients, like how they make hacks. Anyways, have a great day. Hope you all enjoy. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to always be a part of this crew. And always check for the uploads. Anyways, have a great day, and I'll see ya.